Social learning. Observational learning significantly impacts behavior as individuals emulate observed actions. Risk aversion. Humans tend to be risk-averse, often preferring safer options over riskier ones. Temporal discounting. Valuing immediate rewards more than larger but delayed rewards affects decision-making. Self-perception theory. People often infer their attitudes and feelings by observing their own behavior. Cognitive load theory. Cognitive resources have limitations, affecting decision-making under stress or information overload. Placebo effect. Belief in a treatment's effectiveness can result in actual symptom improvement. Self-determination theory. Autonomy, competence, and relatedness are essential for intrinsic motivation and well-being. Cognitive dissonance theory. Holding contradictory beliefs or attitudes can create discomfort, influencing behavior change. Expectancy value theory. Behavior is driven by expectations of success and the value placed on the outcome. Social facilitation. The presence of others can enhance or hinder performance depending on the task complexity.